Welcome to KidsQuest from the Chattanooga Public Library with Olga and Shelley.
Have you ever been curious about clouds? What are they? How did they get up so high? What are they made of? Well, clouds are made of water vapor. And this vapor comes from many different sources, such as lakes, rivers, oceans, plants and trees, all sorts of animals, and even humans. When the sun shines and heats up the earth, some of the water evaporates and becomes water vapor. This invisible vapor rises up to the sky and then slowly starts to cool down. Then the vapor sticks onto tiny pieces of dust, salt, or pollen that are floating in the air. Think of the black circles as dust or pollen and the white circles as water vapor. And so they form a tiny water droplet around each dust particle. And when billions of these droplets come together, they form a cloud. Did you know that not all clouds are the same? There are many different types of clouds, but we're going to look at 3 types: cumulus, cirrus, and stratus. These are cumulus clouds. They are the fluffy white cotton clouds. Cumulus means accumulation or piles, and these clouds pile up on top of each other to form big fluffy clouds. But keep an eye on them. If they pile up too high, they can bring on thunderstorms. These are cirrus clouds. They are found high up in the sky, and they are thin, wispy white clouds that the sun can pass right through. Cirrus means hair curl, and that's just what these clouds look like. And these clouds are stratus clouds. They are low clouds that look like blankets in the sky. The word stratus means layers, so think of them like layers or blankets of clouds. They can be almost white to dark gray in color, and they often bring rain or snow. Which cloud is your favorite? Is it cirrus, cumulus, or stratus? Now we'll make a cloud picture. You'll need a piece of blue construction paper or cardstock, a ruler, a marker, a paintbrush, some glue, and some shaving cream. We'll start by dividing our paper into 3 sections. Label the top clouds. And at the bottom of the first section, you want to write cirrus. In the middle section, you want to write cumulus. And at the bottom, stratus. Next, you'll want to squirt some shaving cream into a bowl. And you'll want to add about the same amount of glue. Mix them together really well. And this will be what you will paint with. We'll start with the cirrus clouds. Remember, cirrus clouds are curl of hair clouds. They're thin and wispy, and they're very high up in the sky, and the sun should be able to pass right through, so use a very little amount of shaving cream. Now we do cumulus. These are big, fluffy, white cotton clouds, so you want to use a lot of the shaving cream and glue. Make them fluffy and nice. Next, we'll make the stratus clouds. Remember, these are the long, low clouds that look like layers or blankets. So make your clouds look like blankets in the sky. Very good. Now this is our finished product. Have fun and stay curious.